Okay, so no, it's a bit dangerous that. Eva, so we got to the castle and we can't get in because it's bloody locked. Just our luck.
Someone missing.
Got here too late.
Someone missing.
I know, mate, there's a few people missing around here. Right. So this is the entrance, and we're kind of like forbidden to climb walls, so we're kind of not allowed to climb in. Obviously.
I wish I was a pelican joke. Probably in jail.
That's not very nice, is it? It's probably freaking something bad's happened. But
I don't know, maybe.
we can't climb in. All the other gates are locked as well, so even if we got over, we could only see what we can see now. So it's one of them. Got here too late in the day. And the kids over there said it might be open early tomorrow, but we're not going to come back here tomorrow because it was a mission. We'll be going somewhere else tomorrow though, aren't we, Beeves? Where are we going tomorrow?
I don't know.
We want to get off the Southport train and maybe ride down to Blackpool, something like that. That'd be cool.
No, we're not.
Why not?
I mean, I agree, we can, but...
I know we haven't planned it, but that's,
Why would you...
I'm kind of asking you now. That's a friggin' good idea.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, well, this is the limit of our journey at the minute. Don't do that.
I'm standing on it.
All this information here.
I don't want to try and
Castle
climb over.
Flint. Yeah, it's one of them.
Try and climb over, you can take a picture.
No, 'cause it's dangerous, isn't it? No, it's not